Welcome to our guide on the Lippert Business Store and Account Center. We'll walk you through how to access the Dealer Account Center and explore the resources available to you. You can manage order invoices, view pricing with part numbers, track shipments, check warranty claim statuses, and access other essential tools. Getting started is simple. Go to lippert.com and click on the Business Login at the top to take you to the Business Login page. Scroll down the page and click on Login. If you're new to Lippert, select Request a Business Account and complete the form to create a new business account. You must have an account before registering for Account Center access. If you already have an account but need access, select Request Account Center Access and submit your details. Once it's approved, log in using your registered email and password. Let's take a look at your homepage, where you can quickly access some of the most frequently used information. The navigation menu provides access to orders, invoices, package tracking, warranty claims, support cases, and user management for the account. You can also use the search box to find something specific, such as an order number or an invoice number. At the top left is where you can switch to the store and back for easy part ordering. Need help? Click on Submit a Support Request to request a new case. You can also press Submit a Warranty Claim as well. Once you fill out the information, it will provide you with a flat rate chart to see exactly what we need from you to get through your claim process as quickly as possible. If you're an admin, you can manage account users by clicking My Users. Here you can keep user access up to date for security and compliance. If a team member leaves or no longer needs access, simply click their name to open up the user details. Click on the pencil icon next to Inactive Contact box. And make sure to check Inactive Contact. Then uncheck Active Dealer Community User and save. Now let's dig a little deeper and look at orders. Click on Orders at the top for a full list of every order that's been placed. Displayed here in each column, you will see PO number, order number and date, e-commerce status, which indicates if the order was placed online, expected ship date, as well as billing and selling customer details that is helpful for multiple account admins. The default view for this list is All Orders, but you can change how this list sorts by clicking on a drop-down menu and selecting a different preset view. You can also click on any of the column headers to be able to sort by ascending or descending as well. You can utilize the search feature to search for specific information, such as putting in SO-000-233-2647 and pressing enter. That will filter out everything other than that order number. You can click on the SO number to see more details about that particular order number, including any invoices that might be attached to it. Open an invoice by selecting the invoice number, where you can then download or print as needed. That's one way to find an invoice, but you can also select Invoices at the top to search for a specific one as well. The page includes the same preset filter views and search box. Click an invoice number to open the invoice. The details you will see are order number, PO number, the posting date, total amount, line items for what products were involved, and the invoice image. Clicking on an invoice image will open the invoice so that you can save or print it. If you're just trying to track down a package, you can click on Package Details. You'll be able to see the package name, the PO number, the tracking status, shipping date, order number, e-commerce status, and the sell to account. Clicking on the package name will pull up all the details. You can also click on the tracking number that will redirect you to the carrier's site. If you want to view all existing warranty claims, select that at the top. You'll see the case numbers, warranty item names, the warranty status, dealer information, payment dates and check numbers, payment references and VIN, as well as if there's any actions needed. If you click on the warranty item number, it will open up all the other details for that claim. The Cases menu option will display all cases attached to the account. In the columns for this, you'll see case number, subject, status, open date and time, VIN and account name, as well as last modified date. If you're wanting to create a new case, you can click on Submit a Support Request, fill out the form, and then submit it. For an existing case, just click on one of the case numbers to open up all the details. With all the additional information inside the case, you'll also be able to see any related orders or associated cases with this particular case, as well as any email history of case correspondence. While logged into the Account Center, you can also navigate directly to the Lippert Business Store, where you will be directed to our e-commerce shopping experience, already logged in so you can see the dealer-specific pricing. You can browse the store by department or utilize the search bar by typing in the product name or part number. For our example, we will enter 141111. A drop-down window will appear showing suggestions based on what you type. Quick Order allows you to type in multiple part numbers at once. Clicking Business Store in the global navigation will return you to the store homepage. Selecting the View All button, such as Under Orders, will navigate you directly to the Account Center's order screen. You can access your account information dashboard as well, where you can update account information if needed. Store credit, saved wish list, order history, gift cards, payments, subscriptions, and tracking can also be found here. Keep in mind that My Orders will only show Business Store orders. To view all orders for the account, simply select the Account Center in the global menu to return to the Account Center. If you have need of any support information such as documentation, videos, or training, they can be found by selecting Support just above the Business Store.